Welcome back to another video. For today's video, I'll be teaching you on how to complete color set on Monopoly Go. So just like the original Monopoly Go, each property title belongs to a color set. Let's hop into the game. And as you can see here, every tile has a houses, which is color green, and the color red is for hotel. You will acquire this by building or upgrading in the workshop. Just continue to play the game and then earn money to upgrade the buildings in your workshop. And for every upgrade, we'll give you one house. Then, when you earn a hotel for a certain color set, all you have to do is to land on these tiles to complete it. Then it will give you the chance to draw, and that's simply it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them below, and we'll see you on the next video.